I actually went to Canadian Tire for only one thing, but now that I'm here, I'm going to definitely make a video out of this. This would be definitely handy to have during the winter time, especially when it snows. And sure enough, the stereo section. Now, if I had a car that was like 20, 25 years old, I would definitely be buying stuff from here today. Stereo installation kit. A lot of great products to choose from. The car that I had before was a 2003 PD Cruiser, and I actually was going to put a radio like this one. Obviously not that expensive, of course, because I'm a little cheap. But I was going to put in like an Android Auto, Apple CarPlay system into that vehicle. But then the engine died, and I decided to scrap it and get my Sparky. Still looking for that vacuum. Jeez. Wouldn't even know where to look. Somewhere over here. Car carriers, truck accessories. Now, if there's one thing I'm definitely going to need is a few car cleaning supplies. Because, you know, I'm running out. Because I bought a whole bunch in the spring at Costco, but of course, you know, the more you clean your car, the faster you will use all of it up. So I should probably get this one, which is cleaning wipes. One of them is scented, which I'm not really liking too much. Protectant, and then regular cleaning, and then glass wipes. I don't really like it that it has the orange in there. And it's funny because I actually have, I think, quite a few protected wipes left. So I'm thinking I might actually just get the regular cleaning wipes. I'll come back to it, I think. So I decided to finally check the Canadian Tire app, and it told me it's in aisle 6. So hopefully the vacuum cleaner will be here. It said it was 5 in stock, so I'm really hoping they have it, because I am going to need it. It's probably right behind this cart. Interesting. Thinking maybe is it here? No. Should actually get some antifreeze coolant pretty soon. There it is. I don't know why I didn't see that earlier. So yeah, certified vacuum cleaner for an automobile. I'm not really liking that it's something you have to plug into the cigarette socket, but whatever. It is what it is. It'll get the job done. It's only $70. That's actually not a bad deal for this. So now that I've got the vacuum cleaner, I'm going to look for some car cleaning supplies. So this one always catches my eye because it's a 3-in-1 formula, right? It's total vehicle detailer. It's an ultra shine, reveals the natural luster. It's basically like cleaning, spray, and the protectant all in one. So that's really cool. Let's say here if I can. I don't know why it's not unblurring. But this will definitely get the job done. So I'm probably gonna get one of these as well. Tire and rim cleaner. I think I still have some of that at home, so I'm probably just gonna pass on that. To be honest, I'm not really a huge fan of that glass cleaner because it doesn't always last. which is a little annoying. I got plenty of towels at home. Don't think I need any. I think that's pretty much everything I need. So now I'm gonna go check these items out. Let's see how they work in this Chevrolet Spark. Okay.
Please place your bag in the vacuum area and press Start Scanning. Please scan your first item and place it in the bag. Please place the item in the bag.
Barcode is. Order.
Scan your Triangle Rewards mobile.
Not necessary.
Do you have any coupons?
No.
Select your method of payment from the choices.
Debit.
Insert, swipe, or tap your card and follow the instructions on the PIN pad to complete the transaction. Follow the instructions on the card reader.
Excellent.
Please remove your bags and take your receipt.
Okay, so I'm now in my car. Thank God. Glad I'm out of the store. There's too many people around me. And here's the vacuum cleaner. Time to put this product to the test. So last night I went on the Canadian Tire website and I actually looked at a few different models. Now, the thing is, I chose this model because it had the extra pieces to it. Like it had, give me 1 second. It had these that came with it, and there were other vacuum cleaners that were cheaper, but they didn't have those extra accessories that really are gonna make the job a hell of a lot easier. Basic operating instructions manual. Doubt I'll ever need to even look at that. Who needs a manual anyways? They're so easy to operate. At least I hope it is. Alright, let's see if this comes out. Alrighty, so looks really decent. And this is where I'll be connecting the extender accessories, if that's what you want to call them. I don't really know how you call that. And this is where you plug it in to that. Okay, so I got it connected. Now I'm going to plug it in. Go. Don't really need this. Now, my main target is going to be that gross stuff over there. I'm going to try turning the vacuum cleaner on and see what happens. Appears to be sucking some stuff out, which is good. I know I'm not really using the ideal piece to be vacuuming the floor. But what I'm going to try doing right now, getting in between there. So let's see what happens. Okay. Well, I did the first little bit of vacuuming. It's already looking a lot better. Even in between there, it's not a lot better just because it's so narrow in there, but it is looking a little bit better. Tested it out here as well. Already looks a little bit better in that section. I mean, this is obviously going to still have to be vacuumed when I get home. But at least I know the product works, so that's all that matters. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and comment. And also, don't forget to check out my best friend's channel. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box. Peace out, guys.